Hey y'all, Nick here from Grow It Out with another episode of the Purple Dahlia Grow Journal. And today we're going to be planting the seeds. To start us off, we're going to punch some holes in these knockoff solo cups. This is going to provide a little bit of airflow as well as a spot for the water to drain out. Once we've done that, we're going to fill up these cups with some Kis Organics BioChar soil mix. Really big fan of Kis Organics, think they do some great work. I'm going to provide a link at the bottom of the description to all the products that I'm using and recommend that when you're filling up these cups, leave a good inch at the top because as I've learned, if you fill them all the way up to the top, you're going to create quite a mess when you're watering. And next, we're going to place these all on catch trays. Again, super useful for catching the water and keeping your grow nice and tidy. Once that's done, I'm using my finger to make a small depression for the seeds, going about as deep as my first knuckle. And once those depressions are in, I'm using a Mycorrhizal inoculant, in this case Rootwise Complete, which also contains some bacteria. Really important to get those in the soil as early as possible so they can form a symbiotic relationship with the plant. This is crucial for freeing up nutrients in the soil when growing organic. For more information on that, definitely recommend Teaming with Fungi and Teaming with Microbes, which are both by Jeff Lowenfeld. Now, you might have noticed the small paper towel that I'm using to hold the seeds. That was not used in the germination process. I know a lot of people like using tricks where they soak it in a paper towel or soak it in a cup or a little bit of both. I don't really like messing around with any of that. I've always had really good germination rates from just taking the seed and sticking it in some good organic soil. Once the seeds are gently covered up by that same soil, all that's left to do is water. Once they're all watered, I just leave them in the dark, and all that's left to do is wait. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to check out the Grow It Out channel, as well as the Purple Dahlia Grow Journal playlist, where we'll be placing episode 3 soon.